Hello children. So today we will do exercise 6.2 of triangle chapter. So in my last video I had told you about the basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem and the converse of that theorem. Today in this video we will do exercise 6.2 where the questions are based on that Thales theorem. Okay, so today I will do only question number 1 and 2. And let us continue. Okay, fine. So first question. In figure 6.17, 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. This is figure 2. Okay. DE is parallel to BC. A, B, C. And this is D, this is E. See, DE is parallel to BC, and in 2 also DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Find EC in 1 and AD in 2. So if I want to find out AD, that means there is some data missing over here. What is AE? It is 1.8 centimeter. EC is 5.4 centimeter and DB is 7.2 centimeter. Okay, so let us do the first one. Okay, fine. So what is the first question? You have to find out EC. So now let us start with Thales theorem. So bit 1, solution. Since DE is parallel to BC. So as per Thales theorem, you know that in a triangle, if DE is parallel to BC, then AD by DP, AD by DP is equal to AE by EC. Thales theorem. Okay, this is the reason. Now let us substitute the values. What is AD? AD is 1.5. Okay. What is DP? It is 3 centimeter. What is AE? It is 1 centimeter. And what is EC? We don't know. We have to find out. Okay. So now what will be EC? Cross multiply. You will have 1 into 3 by 1.5, which implies 3 by 1.5. Now you have a decimal over here. So how to remove a decimal? Just giving an introduction to that. It is a recap of what you have studied in class 3, 4, 5. So this becomes 30 by 15. Cancel out. So 2 centimeter. Okay. So what is your EC? Now you have got EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Fine. Now let us go to bit 2. In bit 2, you have to find out, see, in bit 2, you have to find out AD. Now let us find out same thing. It will be AD by DP is equal to AE by EC. Now let us write it down. Okay. So bit 2, since DE is parallel to BC, so what do you have? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Again you write Thales theorem. Okay, fine. Now substitute the values. AD you don't know, you have to find out AD. What is DP? It was 7.2. What is AE? It was 1.8 and this was 5.4. So you will have AD is equal to, so you'll have AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 by 5.4. Okay, so if you want to cancel out, this is 1.8 and this is 5.4. I need not cancel out the decimal, because here we have one digit after the decimal, here also one digit after the decimal. So 18 3s are 1.8, 3s are 5.4. Now 3, it is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so you have 2.4 centimeter. Okay, now what is your AD? It is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So with this we finish off our question number 1. Now let me give the result like this. Fine? Okay. In question number 2, let me read the question first. So E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. Okay. Achha, let me first, there is no figure given in this question, so let us draw a triangle. Okay, so this triangle is PQR. Now, as per the question, it is written that this is PQR and E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. E and F. This is E, this is F. Okay. So now, for each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. So we have 3 bits. First bit, second bit and third bit. For all the 3 bits, you have to find out whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So what to do? Again, in this question also you will be using Thales theorem, but it's a little different way. Okay. So let me solve, then you can understand how to do. See, I'll be doing the first one, and for the second and third you go along with me only. Okay, take out your copy and pen and do along with me. So the first part, now what is given? Given that PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so now how to use the Thales theorem here? You know, in a triangle, if EF is parallel to, or E and F are 2 points on the sides PQ and PR, EF will be parallel to QR, that this is the converse, only when PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. This question is based on the converse of the Thales theorem. Okay, so let us start. Let me first find out PE by EQ. What is PE by EQ? PE is 3.9 and what is EQ? It is 3. So if it is 3.9 by 3, then EQ is 3. Then you will be having 1.3. Okay, ratio is 1.3. What will be this PE by EQ? PF by FR. PF by FR. Find out what is PF. It is 3.6 and what is FR? It is 2.4. So you can have 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are. So you will have 1.5. So is PE by EQ equal to PF by FR? No. Okay. So therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. Clear? Okay. Now this was your bit 1. Let us do bit 2. Okay. So EF is not parallel to Q. Now let us do bit 2. What will be bit 2? Same way. So for bit 2 also I am drawing a different diagram. So that will be easy for us. Fine. This is the triangle. Okay. P, Q, R. And this is E and this is F. Join EF. Okay. So same way, the question is same. You have to prove that EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay. Achha. Then if it is parallel, first let me what is given. PE. For the second question, it is 4 centimeter. What is QE? It is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. What is PF? PF it is given 8 centimeter. And what is RF or FR? It is 9 centimeter. Okay. So EF will be parallel to QR only when PF by PEQ is equal to PF by FR. So let us first find out PE by EQ. PE 4, EQ it is 4.5. Okay. So if you want to remove the decimal, so it is 40 by 45. So it is 8 by 9. Now let us find out PF by FR. What is PF by FR? It is 8 by 9. So what do you find? This is equal to this. So you have therefore PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay. So therefore EF is parallel to QR. Okay. This is the second part which is over. Now let us go to the third part. What is the third part? Okay, let me do it here. So in the third part again I am drawing the triangle, same triangle. Fine. This is P, Q, R and this is E and F. Okay. So third part. For the third part, again you note down what is given. PQ it is given 1.28 centimeter. What is PQ and it is given PR. Okay, 2.56 centimeter. Then it is given PE 0.18 centimeter and PF 0.36 centimeter. Okay, how to handle this one, the third one? Okay, Achha. Now for this question, in order that EF is parallel to QR, what should you do? You must find out what is PE by EQ. Okay, PE it is given 0.18. What is EQ? EQ is not given. Okay, but one thing is given. PQ is given. See, PQ is 1.28 and PE is given. It is 0.18. So it will be, EQ will be PQ minus PE. So that can be written as 0.18 by PQ is 1.28 minus 0.18. Okay, so if it is 0.18, then you will have 0.18 by 1.10. I can have it like this, 1.10. So if I remove the decimal, so I'll have 18 by 110. So it will be divisible by 2. 2 nines are 55. So you have PE. So you have PE by EQ is equal to 9 by 55. Fine. Now let us find out PF by FR. Okay. So PF, it is given 0.36. Now you need FR. Now for FR, what is given? PR is given and PF is given. Okay, let us substitute. 0.36, PR is 2.56 minus PF is 0.36. So when you substitute the value, you will have 0.36. After subtracting this, you will have 2.20. Fine. Okay. So after you substitute that one, then let us cancel out. So this becomes 36 by 220. If it is 36 by 220, let me check. Can it be divisible by 4? Yes, we can divide it by 4. 4 nines are 36. This is 55. So you get 9 by 55. Okay. So see, PE is 9 by 55 and PF by FR is also 9 by 55. Therefore, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay. So if it is equal, EF, therefore EF is parallel to Q. Okay. So with this we complete bit 3 of question number 2 also. Okay. So in our next video we will do the rest questions. Till then, bye and take care. Please do practice. Okay, bye.